there, little artists. Welcome to our fun drawing world, where we make things come alive. Watch as our doodles become fun toys for you. Today I'm going to draw a crane. Let's draw and paint it together. I'm going to paint this crane with different colors. The wheels.
Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the town.
It's attached with a pulley. Now I'm drawing the bucket of the crane. Fill the colors very carefully. Dark green color, light blue color, orange color, yellow color, orange color. So beautiful. Yellow color, red color, dark blue color,
all through the town. Hickory dickory
yellow color,
the mouse ran up the clock.
so colorful. Red color, you can fill any colors of your choice. Yellow color, green color,
The bird looked at the clock.
dark blue color,
Away she flew.
yellow color,
Hickory dickory dock.
purple color,
Tick-tock.
yellow color,